All right, welcome to another video here. In this one, we're gonna go ahead and try to build this air skimmer um, in Inventor. All right, so we're gonna make this into 3D, just like how you guys would build this. We're gonna use Inventor to actually see um, the actual air skimmer. So here we're looking at the main body first. We are doing 11 long by 3. Now it's show that you have 4 right here, but that is for the fold. All right, so this fold here is 1/2, and top here is also another half. Okay, and then you have a 3 inches here at the tail, right? So the tail here have a little 3 inches, and you notice when you build it, it's have a little angle down. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so first I'm gonna go to sketch, and I'm gonna build a rectangle actually. Um, what I'm gonna go do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and make a mistake, and then I'll show you guys what we need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the XY plane, which is a mistake in this case, because it's not a mistake, it's just harder to see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, and I don't have to go to the center here, I don't have to go to the origin, I can go anywhere and draw a rectangle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and dimension this to be 11 by 3. I am at this point assuming that the unit is in inches. I will show you guys how to do the actual units change and everything later in another video. All right, so I got right here a rectangle that is 11 by 3. All right, as we mentioned, the fold, when we fold the wall up, is 1/2, right? So we're gonna go ahead and put that information in as well by going to 3D model, extrude. All right, we're gonna go ahead and extrude these things. I'm gonna go ahead and extrude it to the back, and that would be the same as down, and I'll show you later. We're gonna do 1/2, which is 0.5, but we can put in 1/2, and they will pick it up as a fraction. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you can see it look like that, right? Now we want to change it because that's not how we liked it. I'm going to go to sketch. I expand it, so right click, and I'll go to redefine. And then here I can go to my origin, and then I can put my mouse through everything that I would like to see. I want it to be looking like the XZ plane, flattened out that way, right? Now this is what we currently have. This is what I want. That's not looking nice. So I'm going to do XZ. There it is. That is the air skimmer. All right. Now later on in when you guys build stuff, you will see how to set your correct plane in the beginning. All right. So here we are. I'm going to call this the front, and I'm going to call where my mouse is right now the back. Right. And this is the side, the thickness. All right. What the next thing we're going to do is, so in the back here, we're going to have a little section where it's have a little angle down, right? The tail. So that is 3 units from the back. So I'm going to go back and use that information to help me. I'm going to go to sketch, but this time I'm going to start a 2D sketch. Okay. And I want to start that on this side right here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my line, click on the very bottom first, the bottom vertex, go to the top vertex, and then I'm going to go to the right, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. All right, hit escape. Now I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that distance right there on the top is 3. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my little tail by click on that little triangle there. Change the direction will indicate that I want to cut it, and I want to cut it all the way through. So I'm going to click OK. Now I have that little tail section, you guys see? So here's what it looked like in the front. You have that little tail section there. Okay. Click on the house on the top right, go back here. This is the top, this is the front, this is the back. Okay. So that is that. Now if I am to rotate this, you can see that everything is solid, but you know the body of the air skimmer at the bottom is hollow, including the front, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use a 3D model here. We're going to have to shelve it. Okay. All right. So we're going to go to shelf and the thickness of paper. Right now, if you guys can see, um, if we zoom in a little bit, you can see the thickness is really, really big there. Right. Look a different color there as you see. Right. But the thickness is too much. So I'm going to go ahead and hit escape, and then I'll change this to 0.01. Okay. And then do you want to remove any of the faces, right? That's the question. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and remove just this one in the front here. I'm going to go ahead and select the front face. Right, you see right now the front is being removed. It's gone, right? So you can see that you can see on the inside, you can look in it. All right. And then I also going to remove the bottom as well. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate it to the bottom, hit escape, and then also click at the bottom. Now you can see that it's removed everything. Okay. I'm going to click OK. So that is the body, the main body of your air skimmer. And of course, you can always view it using our navigation on the right here. Okay. That is what it looked like. We can color this later. All right. That is how you build the main body.